This is about 15 kilometers walk in the top of the mountain from that town. And we pass by ang tawag niyan, Palaw. Sinong nakakilala ng Palaw? Ano yan siya, parang malalaking gabi. Malalaking gabi. That's a rubber plantation. Anybody who live around Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga del Norte, parang meron din siya sa bukid nun. Rubber plantation. Guma. Guma, ayan o, guma. I will show you what is guma because I grow up, this is our main product. I will vlog a little bit lang in this one. Guma. That's the rubber. Ayan po siya, sinasanggot po siya, tapos yung liquid tumutulo sa bagol sa tawag niya, coconut shell. I know that process because I grew up doing like that. So this is about 15 kilometers walk from the town of Santa Clara up to the top of the mountain. Wala nang pangalan ng mountain na to. Kasi bukid nga, wala naman siyang pinangalan pa. Maybe mountain Bonita. Or mountain Hadhad Buni. Pwede ba yun? May ganon ba na mountain? Guys, do I look like an adventurous? Huy, ang laki ng dako kay punuan sa guma, oh. Rubber. Ay, di siya makuha. Ang init-init, guys. Kasi this is like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm catching my breath. God, I'm alone. I hope no one will be here. I'm alone. Whew. Layo, guys. Layo ang nilakad ko. Been walking for more than an hour. I think another 1 hour. No. Hop. May guma na naman. I will show you the guma. Rubber plantation. Guma. Dito po siya sasanggutin. Tung. Tulo po siya here. Tadloy po na siya. Sandayong. That's a rubber plantation where we making yung mga ligid. Ligid sa truck tire. Made by ano, yun, guma. I'm catching my breath. Help me. Anybody want to help me? I'm in the forest. Okay, bye for now. Wala nang memory. This is your Witsy Bonita. Adventure time. Mwah.